song is super sweet. A is for apple, shiny and red, crunchy and juicy, a yummy spread. B is for ball, we bounce and throw, rolling and spinning, fast then slow. C is for cat, purring with grace, whiskers twitch and a cute little face. D is for drum, tap, 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 let's make a beat and give a clap. E is for elephant, big and strong, marching through the jungle all day long. F is for fish, swimming in blue, bubbles and fins, they're wiggling too. G is for giraffe, so tall and proud, nibbling leaves up past the cloud. H is for hat, wear it with flair, try on a top hat or a bow in your hair. I is for igloo, cold and round, snowy and white on frozen ground. J is for jelly, jiggly fun, wobble and giggle, now let's run. K is for kite, up in the sky, flying and dancing way up high. L is for lion, hear it roar, king of the jungle, hear him snore. M is for moon, glowing bright, smiling down in the starry night. N is for nest, with eggs so small, baby birds chirping one and all. O is for octopus, arms galore, waving and swimming from shore to shore. P is for panda, soft and slow, chewing bamboo in the forest glow. Q is for queen, in a golden crown, waves through the kingdom all around town. R is for rainbow, colors so bright, paints the sky with magical light. S is for sun, shining all day, warming our faces as we play. T is for train, chugging along, toot toot, let's sing a travel song. U is for umbrella, bright and wide, open it up when raindrops slide. V is for violin, sweet and slow, let's play a tune with a lovely flow. W is for whale, splashing around, singing deep songs with ocean sound. X is for xylophone, ding dong ding, let's tap the keys and hear them ring. Y is for yo-yo, up and down, spinning in circles all around town. Z is for zebra, black and white, running and racing with all its might. Now you know your ABCs, from apple pies to pantsing bees.